Hey everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of AI website builders. With so many options out there, which ones truly stand out? Let's break it down. When evaluating these platforms, I focused on personalized design, content assistance, easy editing, core features, SEO tools, and free SSL. Wix has been a dominant player in the website builder space for years, and their venture into AI-driven design has only solidified their position. The beauty of Wix lies in its adaptability. Whether you're a seasoned developer or someone just starting out, Wix's AI site generation tool is designed to understand your needs and craft a website that mirrors your vision. The process is simple. You answer a few questions about your niche, required features, and design preferences, and the AI does the rest. Within minutes, you have a fully functional website that not only looks professional, but also feels personal. And if you're skeptical about the results, Wix offers a free plan, allowing you to see the magic firsthand. Beyond the AI, Wix has a plethora of other features, from its intelligent logo maker to its vast library of templates, ensuring you always have options and flexibility. Features. Intelligent SEO Wiz creates a tailored SEO plan, offering step-by-step guidance to enhance your site's visibility in search engine rankings. AI Business Name Generator. If you're launching a new venture, this tool helps you find a name that truly represents your brand. Just input a few keywords and let Wix handle the rest. Mobile editing allows you to make changes to your site directly from your phone. Plus, it supports multiple languages, catering to a global audience. AI-powered title generator. If you're struggling with headlines or blog titles, input a few keywords, and this tool will generate catchy titles for you. Choosing the right AI website builder depends on your needs. It's all about finding the one that aligns with your vision. That's our deep dive into AI website builders. Share your experiences or thoughts in the comments. And if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech insights. Catch you in the next one.